right now, our lesson 1 is about sum or kung paano mag-add ng mga data natin sa gamit ng Excel. Okay? Or how we're going to use Excel and adding all of our datas. So, this one, these are the usual database na nakikita natin or the usual database that we see in our company. So I created a summary tab. Okay, these are different scenarios that we're going to use different type of sum. There will be a sum if and some ifs. Okay, and also the basic sum. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put different scenarios. Okay, so first of all, the one it's asking here is paano we need to get the total amount. So, ang kailangan lang natin or what we need to do a formula is we're going to use only sum. So, it is equal, we're going to type it sum, open parenthesis, it shows your number, right? Pero, isang buong data ang kakamitin natin. So, ang sabi dito is total amount. So, ang sinasabi niya total amount. Ano dito, which is the total amount? What column it will be? So, it will be column J. Then, close parenthesis. That's the first option that you can do. The next option, para makuha mo yung sum or to get the sum, is go to your home ribbon. Then, meron dito auto sum. Click on this one. Since naka-highlight siya, click mo yung sa tab, and then, click mo to. Ulit. Column J, then click mo yung enter. Nagets nyo na. That's the other option, ha? Ay, mali. This is not total units. Ang kinuha natin, it's not the total units, it's a total amount, so we need to correct it. How we're going to correct it? First option, click mo to or click this, highlight it, and delete. Okay? Then go to the data where you need to go and highlight the correct column. Okay? So it gives you a correct column. Any questions? So you can try it on yourself. The next one, we're going to use SUMIF. Okay? Ano yung SUMIF? Ito, before, there's no SUMIF. So, I experienced the nested array. But it's so complicated that it makes the file to be so heavy and it's not functioning well. So, what we're going to do is that we can still do the nested sum, but it's easier to use SUMIF. So, how we can use it o paano gamitin yon? So, equals, type nyo, sum, you have options. You can do an arrow down or this one, okay? So, we're going to use SUMIF. Open parenthesis, it shows range. What's the meaning of the range? It is the one that you want to get the total amount or total sum. Okay, yung mga i-add nyo. So, it shows their total amount. So, we need to get the total. So, it will going to highlight J. Now, it shows, range. Range. The range is what we're going to see. Range is like this one. The criteria or ano yung hahanapin natin. Sorry I've got used with the SUMIF, so it shows the range. So equals SUMIF shows range, so it shows your month. So we're going to highlight month. Okay? And then comma. we're going to highlight this one. Okay? Kasi, ayan yung, this is the one that we need to look for. Then, the next one is sum range. What is the sum range? That is the total amount that we need to look for. Kung ano yung isasum nila. So, you need to click on this one. And then, we need to click on enter. So, it shows here 1,602.09 for the month of January. So, if we're going to filter this one, okay, for the month of January, okay, how much it is, okay, manual lang natin i-add. Manual lang natin i-add para makita nyo. We're just going to add manually so that to validate. Okay, it's 1,602.09 and it shows also 1,602.09 for the month of January. Okay? Let's see, sa total. Okay. So we need to get all again. Now, we need to try again. So, same again. Let's try. Sum if range again. And the criteria will be this one. And the sum. Okay. You can make it a slow-mo how I did it. So that's how it is. Alright? So I'm using a SUMIF. Now, it's all applicable on all of this option. Now, my question to you, if you have 3 options. Let's do it as 2 options first before we do that 3 option. So, in SUMIF, it has only 1 criteria. Okay? We already did SUMIF. Now, we're going to do SUMIFS. Okay. Now, under the SUMIFS, it's a very tricky part because of it is different. The pattern of the formula is different from SUMIF. Baliktad siya. In SUMIF, without an S, it gets the criteria first. Range and criteria, and then the sum range. In SUMIFs, you will use the sum range first, then after that, the different criteria. Okay, so here's we're going to do. Equals again. We're going to type sum, IF, then put an S. Open parentheses. It's sum range. So we're going to get the sum range. Comma. It shows criteria and range. So it shows 2019 and Jones. Okay. So we're going to get the year. Let's get the criteria. So our criteria first is the year and the representative. So wait, give me a sec. It's not. So we need to have the rep, comma, and it shows here. Then close parenthesis. Did you get it? Okay, we're going to do it again. Okay, equals SUMIFs with S, open parentheses, go to the total amount, because we need to have the total amount. Then next, because it is year and representative. So either way, if you're going to start with the representative, it is okay. If you're going to start with the year, it's okay as well. So earlier we started with the year. Now we're going to start with the representative. Comma. Let's go for the representative. Then comma again for the year. Then comma the criteria. Same thing. So either way. Alright? So we can do a copy paste or to make it fast. Okay? Next. For 3 criteria. SUMIFS, it has some multiple criteria. It can be 4, 5, 6, and unlimited criteria. Okay? By the way, it can only accumulate the formula bar. It can only accumulate 255 characters. So if it is more than that, you need to think ways how to get the information that you need to have. But we're going back. It has 3 criteria. Again, it shows there what is showing. Month. Let's go for the month. Comma. Year. Comma. Then is region, comma, there. Then close parenthesis. Oh, sorry. There's no SUMIF. I'm sorry about it. SUMIFS. Yan. Again, let's do it again. SUMIFS. Comma. Month. We're going to the month. We're going to the year. We're going to the region. Okay, region. There. And we can do it so forth and so on. So you can practice all you want. So hope that you learn from this function, or for adding sum in a different criteria, simple addition, a little bit SUMIF, a little bit SUMIF for different criterias. Sana may natutunan kayo. Hope to see you soon again for another vlog. Have a great day. Like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thank you for learning.